How to refund old Google Play purchases. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can refund the old Google Play purchases. So let's just get started with the video without any delay. So for that, you can head over to Google Play first, and once you are here, at the top right corner, you can go ahead and tap on the profile. Once you tap on it, this menu opens up. So from here, you can go to this option called Help and Feedback, and when you head over there, it will lead you to another page. So wait for the page to load up first. And from here, you can go to this option called Request Your Google Play Refund. So it directly leads you to the option. So from this section, you need to go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts. You can go to this Learn More About Google Play Refund Policies, or you can go to this How to Request a Refund. So you can just go ahead and look out for this method given by the Google Play itself in order to refund it. Otherwise, if that doesn't work, you can head over to the help and feedback again and directly contact the customer support by tapping on this contact us section and do it. So for now, this is the method you can apply up if you want to refund your old Google Play services purchases. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.